Our family's TV watching experience completely changed after we got this, the Amazon Fire TV Stick for our TV. With Fire TV Stick, you can enjoy online shows, web series, movies on your current TV. It's a streaming device that plugs into your TV and makes your TV into a smart TV. And in case if you have a smart TV, this Fire TV Stick can make your TV even more smarter. It comes with a compact remote which has shortcut keys to all top apps. It has pause, play, rewind, forward buttons. You can also control your TV power and volume with this. And this is the surprise. Press this button to access Alexa and I will show you how easy it is to set up. Connect this Fire TV Stick into the HDMI port on your TV. Put this plug in the socket and then connect to any internet, Wi-Fi or even mobile internet. And now you're ready to enjoy all the online content comfortably on your TV. It's fast and so smooth to browse through all the content. You have to experience this to believe it. And now we are never out of choices on what to watch on TV. All your favorite TV apps are available on Fire TV Stick. And you have all the free stuff to watch like YouTube, YouTube Kids for your little one, MX Player, TVF Play and many more. So that is the reason why even if you have a smart TV, Fire TV Stick is a great addition because it has all the apps in one place. Don't just take my word for it. There is a reason why Amazon Fire TV Stick is the #1 streaming stick brand in India. And my personal experience with this product is amazing. I just love it. So get your Fire TV Stick today. If you have a TV, you need this one.